It seems like people don't spend much time thinking about lawyers until they actually need one. Attorney Randolph says it's a good idea to be prepared ahead of time. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Elsa.
So what do personal injury lawyers actually do, and why should we be prepared ahead of time?
Well, you're right about people that they don't realize that they need a lawyer until something bad happens.
Yes.
So generally speaking, a personal injury lawyer is somebody that represents individuals who have been hurt in an accident, either by somebody else's negligence or an intentional act. For example, a car accident, a bus accident, a motorcycle accident. If you're hurt and somebody else caused that injury, that's when you need a personal injury lawyer.
And so what should they do in the event of a car accident or some sort of personal injury like that?
Yeah, so the first thing they want to do is obviously stop after an accident. And the just number one rule we tell people is call the police. The police are there to help take information. They're a third party that come in and document everything, make sure everybody exchanges information, make sure that insurance information exchanged, because when you leave the scene, if you don't have that information, you may never get it again. The second thing that they need to do is, and very, very important, is picture tells picture's worth 1,000 words, right?
Yeah.
Take a lot of pictures.
Okay.
Take pictures of your vehicle, take pictures of the other vehicle, take pictures of everything that's around there, because when you go to your lawyer, when you go to court, the picture is going to help tell the story.
And so if someone has been injured, they should be reaching out to you during this time, or a personal injury attorney.
They are, and they'll find very quickly that the insurance company for the other person is going to be reaching out to them very quickly too, because the insurance companies want to get a hold of the person before they talk to a lawyer so that they can lock them into a story that they may use against them down the road.
Got it. So can you describe the process of filing a claim and share what people should expect if they are going to pursue a claim?
Sure. So filing a claim is very easy if you use a lawyer. And I say that because we have a lot of clients who come in after they've filed a claim on their own and they're a year down the road and they're frustrated because their case is dragged on. Filing a claim with a lawyer is very easy. You meet with the lawyer collects information, and at that point in time, your job is to get better. The lawyer is going to take care of everything else. And that's why it's so easy when you do hire a lawyer to represent you in a claim like after an accident.
And is it better to hire your own, when you're trying to find the best lawyer for an injury claim, or do you want to go through your own insurance, and how does that part work?
Generally, your insurance won't give you the name of a lawyer. So just like anything else that you're going to pick in life or choose in life, you want to do your research. Go online and check out the lawyer's reviews. Talk to friends and family that may have used a lawyer in the past. And meet with the lawyer. Most lawyers are going to offer a free consultation like our office does. Mm-hmm. So you want to make sure you go sit down with the lawyer and get a feeling for them. Yes. You want to find out, are you comfortable with them? Do you like to work with them? Do you trust them? Do they feel like they're honest?
Right.
These are the type of things you want to find in a lawyer, because they're going to be handling an important part of your life down the road.
It is an important part of your life, especially if you've been injured. I mean, you're in a vulnerable situation, so you want to make sure you have the right representative. I'm also wondering, how much does this all cost? Because I'm sure a lot of our viewers are like, okay, I'd love to hire a lawyer, but they're going to be expensive.
In personal injury cases, the good news is it's not going to cost you any money out of your own pocket. Personal injury lawyers work on what's called a contingency fee, which means their fee is contingent on the success of your case. So if you're unsuccessful or if you get a zero verdict, you don't have to pay the lawyer.
Well, that is a relief, I'm sure, for a lot of people, because you're already in a situation that you didn't expect to find yourself in. I mean, when you're going to a lawyer after being injured in an accident, it's an accident. So it's unexpected.
It is unexpected, and most people, they don't prepare. Not so much prepare, but they sort of don't think about it until they really need it.
Right.
So it is a good idea to sort of have an idea of who you would call if you actually were in an accident.
Just-in-case plan.
Just in case. The old keep the card in your pocket. And it's a good idea to sort of keep your lawyer's information in your phone so that you can contact the lawyer, and maybe even at the scene of the accident. What do I do? Who should I talk to? Things like that.
That makes sense. Sort of put it in your glove box. You've got your insurance cards and you've got your driver's license on your person. Might as well have that in there. Okay, so how can people get in touch with you?
Sure. So the easiest way is to contact us at our phone number, 410-288-2900, or our website, which has a million different ways to contact us by phone, text, email.
Right.
We've got everything on there. Then go to the website at ricelawmd.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.